Hi and welcome to Add More Zest, and my name's Rebecca and it is that exciting time of year. It may be warm outside, but we've been thinking all things Christmas for a while, but it's now time for you guys to join us. So we have our 2025 diamond painting advent calendar. This will be going up on our pre-order offer this evening, so the 1st of August at 9 p.m. BST, British summertime. So do Google what time that is where you are, but it is 5 hours after this video has gone live, so maybe that will help you determine the time frame. So we like to do a pre-order offer for our advent calendar where we offer free shipping, free standard shipping worldwide on our advent calendar. So no matter where you are, the shipping is included for the pre-order period. So the pre-order is going to run from the 1st of August to the 28th of August. So 4 weeks, pretty much, just short, 1 day short of 4 weeks, or until stocks last. We do hold back just a small amount in comparison to how many we have. We hold back a small amount to launch later. That is standard with standard shipping. But if you want to get yours bagsied with the shipping offer, then that is this evening. We have popped a general list of what is included in the advent calendar on the item description page, but we have put it further down, so you do have to keep scrolling to see it. So if you want to keep it a surprise, you can, but it's not very, funky packaging, because we put all the money into the inside, not the outside. But you get a box then with your gorgeous tissue paper, and if I can get this to peel up nicely, oh look, it did. You then end up with a box full of goodies. Now the top one is a pretty big one. We have some more than a medium sizes. We have some tiny ones, some tiny but thick ones. We have some tiny but thin ones. We have some medium but thick ones. We have all sorts. We have absolutely all sorts in here. It even goes down further. There is quite a few different things in there, but basically you will have one package a day to open for 24 days. So the idea is you will open bag one, which is actually this nice big fat one here, on the 1st of December. And then you will continue to open a bag a day throughout December up until the 24th, which is of course Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day, should that be the tradition in your country, you will open your presents. If you are in another country, you may open them Christmas Eve along with your day 24. But yeah, they are all packaged in these brown bags, clearly labelled as to which day. Some people like to take these out, stack them in order. Some people like to have a rummage in the box when it's time to open. Some people even peg them up, a bit like you do with your cards, to display. That is completely up to you. I like the little rummage myself, even though I know what order they're in. I still like to rummage through our December event and open mine then. But yes, we are extremely excited for everything that is in this advent this year. I don't know, my ideas haven't started flowing for next year, so at the moment this is the top box in my opinion. I'm absolutely in love with all the things that are in it, and I think you guys will love it too. So yeah, head over to addmorezest.com if you want to get your pre-order in. A couple of things to note: you will pay at the time of ordering, but if you just order the Advent box, because that's what will give you free shipping. If you add any other items to your basket, you will get charged postage, which is based on weight, only for the items you've added. So you won't get charged the weight of this, but you do get charged the weight of the other items. Plus, they won't ship until these boxes ship, which will be October. We're going to start shipping those. So if you have other items that you want to purchase, it is zero cost difference to you. So you're not paying any more shipping for those items because you've added your Advent box in or anything like that. But if you place that in a separate order, then that will get shipped out on our normal turnaround. Whereas if you place the order with your Advent, they will get held and shipped together. It's just the way our system works. If we start shipping part orders and not part of others, we just don't have a way of tracking that. So everything on one order sheet gets shipped at the same time. But we have loads of other new goodies in the shop, so it's always worth doing those 2 orders. Also, I am extremely happy to announce that we are able to ship these to the EU. The paperwork was a dream. Let's just put it that way. But anyway, these are also available to the EU, Northern Ireland and the EAA countries. Or is it EEA? Too many acronyms. Basically the countries that have been affected by the GPSR regulations. That is all now done until we bring out a new product. But anyway, for now, we are done. So it is open to those countries as well. So feel free to treat yourself. If you do have any questions, do pop them down in the comments below. Hopefully I have answered everything. But yeah, a little bit delayed on our pre-order, but I am extremely happy to be able to offer to the EU as well, which is what we were waiting for. So yeah, go and get your Advent box at 9 p.m. BST. I nearly said GMT. BST, British summertime, on the 1st of August over at addmorezest.com. And yeah, I hope you guys all love it as much as we do. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.